Hey there, welcome back to channel. Well, there are 2 weeks less than the Google event on the 4th October, and this event Google launched Google Pixel 8 series and Google Pixel Watch 2 and also some Google products. But we are getting a very early, very unofficial look at the Google Pixel 8a picture leak, which is coming next year, but we are already get hands-on image. The image posted by Abhishek Shakawat, a Google device in hand on a image. The leak show a device that has 2 cameras in a bag with pill-shaped cutout, and the phone also comes with blue color similar to the what we have seen the Google Pixel 8 Pro leaks in the image, which is much rounded in the corner compared to the Pixel 7a. The phone also has a glossy finish in the frame. One of the font of the device show the display, which has very rounded corner. Also big bezel has Pixel 7a. The Pixel 8a comes with the Tensor G3 processor with 8GB of RAM with latest Android 14. That's pretty much about the Pixel 8a first look. So if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.